important topic in Entity Framework Core, data annotation. So we covered the basic before, but in this session we will explore how data annotation can help configure the behavior of our entity directly in code. So what's the data annotation? Data annotation are attributes that we apply to model class in the entity framework core to define certain behavior. So these annotations are incredibly useful for tasks like defining verbal rules, formatting data, localization, and even generation database schema. So in the entity framework core, data annotation help configure different aspects of entity, making them an easy tool for customizing how your model behave. So when should we use data annotation? So entity framework core always come with model building convention that we are able by default. So however, when we want to override this default behavior, we can use data annotation to customize the model. Okay, so one thing to keep in mind if you use both data annotation and full API for configuration, full API will always takes precedence, right? So if you need more flexible, full API may be your best bet. So let's take a look at some scenario to understand how data annotation work. So we have a manager class here. So with properties like manager ID, first name, and last name. By default, entity framework core will map this class to the table lambda managers, and it will further manager ID and as the private key. So, but what if we want to customize this behavior? For example, if we want to rename the table, we use the table annotation. So if we want to explicitly define the private key, we can use the key attribute. Simply requires simply require the string name or log method some of the attribute we can use to further customize our entity. So common data annotation attribute is a important concept. So because it's some commonly used the data annotation attribute. For example, key attribute, we define the private key of the entity. We use key. So go back to here to have a look. Key attribute here. Okay, if we want to use modify the table name, we use the table annotation. This is a table annotation. So this is an attribute also, and then we can set this field is required and set the string name here, and also we can set our column name here. Okay, you can customize the column name in the database. Log method in log method here exclude a property from the database method. Okay, so and then you also can customize the name of the table. So each of the attribute how you control a variety aspects of your entities mapping and validation behavior. So something we need to require that is the data annotation in the entity framework core offer a convenient way to configure the entity. They help with everything from the validation to database schema customization, making your code more explicitly and your database mapping more accuracy. So if you need more advanced control, you can always reach to full API. I hope you found this session useful. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment below, and don't forget to check out my other video for more tips on the Entity Framework core. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more contents like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.